What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to boot into safe mode on Windows 11. Press on your start menu and in here press on settings. Once this window is going to appear, we need to press on Windows updates. And then in here we need to press on advanced options. And then we need to scroll down until we're going to see recovery. Press on recovery. And then in here we need to press on restart now next to advanced startup settings. So press on restart now and then restart now. And then it's going to boot up to this right here. You'll have to press on troubleshoot and then advanced options and then startup settings. And then you need to press on restart one more time. And then once it's going to boot into the startup settings right here, we need to choose how we would like to start up. And if we're looking for enable safe mode, we can do it with networking or with command prompt. Just choose the one you need to choose. In my case, I'm just going to press on number 4 and it's going to just boot into the safe mode. And that's it. Your system is booted into the safe mode. Now you can do what you need to do in the safe mode, and then after the restart, it's going to boot normally. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.